Hi, I'm Pam McCarthy, President and CEO of Vermont Family Network. I just wanted to reach out and see how everybody's doing and to let you know that we're all still here. Although all of Vermont Family Network has been working remotely for a few weeks now and learning new ways of being and doing, we're certainly still here for families, and we hope that folks will call us and email us and be in touch through our Facebook and our website to ensure that you get the support, information, and connection that you need during this really difficult time of pandemic crisis. As I said, we are still here. We're still providing strong starts to families. We are lifting family voices for positive change, and we are advancing inclusive communities. Wanted to give you an example of just the extraordinary flexibility and creativity and can-do of our staff, and how some of our work is looking a little different in a story that one of our family resource coordinators from our early intervention program in Chittenden County shared with us last week. She said, "I'm finding myself with more time to focus on the families and less time driving around. Families are more available as people are home, and I'm having some meaningful conversations over the phone with many families. They are struggling with things other than child development right now, so I'm able to help make sure they are accessing childcare, food, and other things. Another huge thing is how much more comfortable I've become with technology, all these Zoom meetings, and how useful these skills will be even at non-crisis times. Maybe we've discovered some new ways to make things easier on ourselves. We are all having to adapt and be flexible, but in doing so, we are learning a lot of new things every day. I just talked to a mom yesterday at length who was very frustrated because her husband is an essential employee, but because she can technically work from home, their childcare dropped their children but is still expecting them to pay in order to keep the slots. Mom is unable to actually get any work done from home with the young kids there, so she's desperately looking for childcare. I knew of someone in Williston with openings that I put her in touch with, and also reached out to Childcare Resource to get some more listings for her and the information about the regulations that childcare have as a result of COVID-19. Also, I talked to a young mom of 4 kids who was struggling financially, and I went through the list of resources that they have, WIC, food stamps, Reach Up, and so on, to make sure that they were getting everything that was available to them. I also suggested she talk to her caseworkers at Lund and DCF to see what else they could provide. I think this is a terrific example of the flexibility and ingenuity that our staff are showing during this really difficult time. We are definitely wanting to be present for families, even though we can no longer do home visits and are out of our offices, so that we're not able to connect with one another to be resources in the work around information and support and training. One of the other examples of the things that we're doing right now is our Puppets in Education program. Since schools are closed, can't be doing shows for children in the schools. So they have pivoted and created a video to help children deal with anxiety around the pandemic, and that is now available online on our YouTube channel and has been featured in a number of media spots recently, I'm happy to say. We're also providing parent-to-parent matches. I know one of our family support consultants told me last week of a family with teens, and she had matched both the parents of these teenagers and the teenagers themselves around their own disability, and was creating some connection in this time of really difficult physical distancing and social isolation that's really been exacerbated by the COVID-19 crisis. I hope that you will continue to connect with us and to ask us questions that you may have, to seek the support that you may need as families of kids with special health needs and disabilities throughout the state of Vermont during this time. We know that this is not going to be over anytime soon, and we know how difficult and isolating these circumstances can be. We want you to know we're here for you. We continue to put out our special newsletters around FAQs having to do with families like yours. And we also want to support the providers who support families of kids with special health needs and disabilities throughout the state. So we're hoping that you'll call us and that you'll contact us by email, by Facebook, as I said before, or on our website at info@vtfn.org. Our number is 802-876-5315 for our helpline, and we are still answering even though we're working from our homes, as you could see here in my own space. I want to thank everybody for your support and connection with us. Our staff are really grateful for the reinforcement that we've gotten, the kind words, and the donations that continue to come in to support our work. I also want to thank the Leahy Center for the tremendous work that they've done to make sure that we have the technology and support that we need to be able to do remote work right now and to ensure that we're still here and present for you throughout the state of Vermont. If you'd like to get a hold of me, you can reach me at pam.mccarthy, McCarthy, at vtfn.org, or you can call me at Vermont Family Network at 876-5315, extension 207. I hope that you'll be well. We will continue to do good work for you here, and we're looking forward to a time when we can see you face to face again. Let us know if there's anything you would like us to be commenting on or doing videos around during the time that we're all stuck at home, and be well. Take care. Bye.